you're doing good. So evil is real and God is real, okay? And this is a war for your mind, for your consciousness, uh, attacking your brainwaves, weaponizing your brainwaves, which causes great pain and suffering, which is what I'm going through. And every day, every second, our Creator family is blocking 99% of it, but it still comes through and it's still brutal. And also, then they completely block it and heal me in these big healings. But my point is, this darkness is real. And over the last couple months, they've started physically showing up in every single video that I ever do. So, this video that you're going to see is the fallen angel. Our creators are angel creator gods, and these are they. They call them, our creators call them the they, but this is evil. This is evil. When you look at this video, you'll see it's not a butterfly, it's not a bird, it's see-through. They have wings, they're little beings, they're big beings, they can take all types of sizes, but they're like our, somewhat like our creators in some ways. They have human-ish type of bodies and wings, and this is exactly that. So look at it. It's not a bird. It's not a butterfly. See that it's see-through. Understand that this is real. It's connected to everything that we're talking about that's been forced on you know what. It's connected to the stuff coming down from the sky. It's connected to the nanotechnology, the 5G, the 6G that they had just announced. And it's a blend of human working with darkness and evil. And this is one of those beings. I love you. Stay true to our creators and to life and protecting innocence and all life. Love you. Amen.